This is the prototype of a new model grow cabinet we plan to launch very shortly. And it has 3 compartments. It has a top compartment, a middle section, plus a bottom compartment, compared to the older models, which consists of only 2 compartments, top and bottom. So what's the reason we have done this? So this new cabinet, it's not a cabinet for growing flowering plants, but it's a propagation cabinet. And it has 3 floors. 1, 2, 3. And if we wouldn't have made adaptations to the construction, then this aluminium bar over here, that would have been here, and that would have seriously denied access to your plants when working inside the cabinet. So that's why the reason we have made some changes to the layout of the cabinet. In the ceiling of the cabinet, there's the extractor kit is mounted, a carbon filter, extractor fan, plus a silencer. So it will produce minimum noise when operational. And here's the brain of the cabinet, this WIFI Smartbox, where you can set the watering moments of the irrigation system, plus the lights on and off moments. At the bottom of the cabinet is a water tank, and it has a pump inside, which is connected to this hose here, which pumps the water when it's being switched on by the WIFI Smartbox. Pumps the water into the top tray. Slowly fills the entire tray, and then from here, because the water is being pumped in faster than it can run out, it flows into the bottom tray. Above each floor there are 2 Sanlight Flex 2 series 20-watt lights mounted, and at this height they provide 124 micromoles light, which is plenty of light for clones, germinating seeds, even growing leafy greens and microgreens. So inside this cabinet you can grow 1248 clones or plants from seeds in these easy plug cubes, or 1008 clones in these rock wool cubes, 4x4s. And if you want to grow microgreens, we recommend to do that on our grow sheets, which are designed for this. But of course you can also use these small cups and grow bigger plants. The cabinet shall be available in 2 versions, a 120 by 80 centimeter versions with sliding doors and a 60 by 60 centimeter version with swing doors.